Yeah. Money's just a tool, you know. Stop playing small. It's time to automate. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. They tell you skip the coffee, save every cent. Living like you broke just to pay the rent. That's a small money game, a total distraction. I'm here to flip the script, yeah, massive reaction. Ramit said it clear, listen to the blueprint. Cut costs on the junk, put the savings in the sprint. It's not about sacrifice, it's conscious spending on the things you love. Yeah, the vibe's never ending. Why work hard if you can't enjoy the view? The system's rigged, but I'm making it work for you. Set the stage like the cage, unlock the door. We're aiming for the ceiling, never hitting the floor. Automate the stack, never look back. Let's go. Living rich life, keep the budget on track. Spend it on the things that you love, don't hide. I will teach you how to enjoy the ride. Rich, rich, yeah, that's the goal. Take control, pay yourself, feed your soul. Pay yourself first, that's the golden rule. Before the bills hit, before you look like a fool. Investment accounts, yeah, compound interest. While you're sleeping tight, money's doing the rest. Negotiate the salary, bump up the pay. Don't just take the offer, own the whole day. Avoid the debt trap, keep the credit score high. We're climbing up the ladder, aiming for the sky. Why work hard if you can't enjoy the view? The system's rigged, but I'm making it work for you. Set the stage, lock the cage, unlock the door. We're aiming for the ceiling, never hitting the floor. Automate the stack, never look back. Let's go. Living rich life, keep the budget on track. Spend it on the things that you love, don't hide. I will teach you how to enjoy the ride. Rich, rich, yeah, that's the goal. Take control, pay yourself, feed your soul. It's a mindset shift, yeah, a total redesign. What's a rich life to you? Yeah, define that line. Is it travel, is it tech, is it time for the fam? Whatever makes you tick, yeah, that's the master plan. Stop comparing, start preparing, take the lead. This is the rhythm, this is exactly what you need. Automate the stack, never look back. Let's go. Living rich life, keep the budget on track. Spend it on the things that you love, don't hide. I will teach you how to enjoy the ride. Rich, rich, yeah, that's the goal. Take control, pay yourself, feed your soul. Yeah. Conscious, automated. It's your life. Rich.